Hello everyone, so you can see me and Mr. Subhankar. We just came here to look the view, and here is the view. We can see it's amazing, you know. Hey, sorry. You can see the view.
Bloody view.
Yeah. So here's the river beside me, just down me. I will show you later. Just keep going on with me. So again, you can see the beautiful view over here. It's a rural area view. You can see the river, and there's something, I don't know how to call it, but you can see the rings, and there is a woman who is doing something. Maybe she's washing her clothes or doing. Let's go to her and just see from near. So we can see we're moving forward. That woman. Where is she? Let's go and find what she's doing from now. But you can see the beautiful view from here. Like it's kind of bank, you can say. Most people come here to wash their clothes, and youngs, they come for fun. Okay, let's go. Once again, I'm with my so-called picky friend. He is a nerd.
एक गार के रख के चले जाएंगे भाई.
Wow, there is some kind of roots. You can see it looks so amazing, no? Okay, that's all in this today's video. Hope you will like the video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel if you want to visit more places like this. Thank you.